We'll introduce our automatic cover slipper. So you have look at this machine in front of us. Then you look at this area. This area is a packing accessory. This accessory for this instrument. You have to look at this. This is 3 pieces slide holder. This is for output magazines for the storage. This is for cover. This is for adapter. Then this is for cable. So we need to look at this accessory for the preparation of the startup, the instrument. Now we need to prepare some. Look at this one, the mounting. Before you start this instrument, you need to prepare some grooves mounted for this machine. Then put it into the glue bottles. Then here is a small bottle, clean out bottle. Normally, this pick and place module parts. Put the rest position and the needle into the clean bottle. Clean bottle will fill with saline fluid. That here you take this cover glass magazine or box from the accessory, then put it in instrument. Then you also need to prepare paper box for the gluing test. So before the start, also have so we need to put an adapter into the loading pass. Then put some slides into the rack. Then put the rack into the adapter. So we also need to prepare 2 output magazines. This is for the storage. For storage, for the cover sleeping. Here you have look at this storage box. They have an arrow. So normally you put in this storage box up and the arrow face up. So like this, put inside. So the last we also need to find the power cable, then plug in the back of the machine. So everything is ready. Now we can switch on the machine. Then start up the machine. This screen have into the running menu. There are 4 main menus for this in this instrument. The first is running menu. The second is common menu. The third is the setting parameter menu, settings menu. The last one is history. So now we can introduce the first running menu. Running menu is normally we start up the machine, so the machine go on the running menu. They have 3 function parts. The left top, they have a state information for the instrument. So you have a look at this some black icon in this area. So the waiting, they put the rack and go on. Then the working. When the machine running, the working. Then the storage, reception, they show you they have a glue needle. So if you have a red, you should fixed, then put the dispenser needle. So here you put, then you have a look at the screen. This information is go on normally state. Then storage exception. So you need to put this one, then fix this error. Normally you can put one storage or two storage, maximum two. So you put this one, the fix. So normally when you start up, you need to look at this area, have do some action to fix this area. The writing is for running information. You see here, the storage box. Here is the main vacancy. We put the 30 pieces storage box, so that show the empty vacancy is for 60. Then use it, the no parts, the no cover sleeping slide into, so the 0. So the scanning count is also 0. The bottom, this part area is the 5 keys, function keys. And then from left to right is start keys, the push keys, and out. Out for the load parts will go out. You can put the slide rack, go on the into the bus. Then pick up for the take the storage. That's the last one, right in the last spring. You can take out the dispenser needle, then test this spray glue. So the first main menu or the finish. When user get the instrument, you can test. You put the slide, then do this every function key test. So you should be familiar with this every function keys. The second, now we'll go on this second main menu. Second menu, common menu. Common menu for the cover sleeping, sitting up. Well, the common is very important. You need to do the sitting up for the cover sleeping. Normally it depends on your use your glue concentration, some brand. So here you look at this cover glass, this part. Here have two modes cover sleeping. Some is dry seal, some is wet seal. How to change the dry seal to the wet seal? You need to go on the second parameter setting. Here is the 0. You touch this arrow, you can set the waiting time. So you 3, then enter. So the dry seal change it to the wet seal. So you want to change it back, then also touch this timing. Then you input the 0, then enter back to the dry seal. So last one is the system pressure. You don't change it. This is for the prompt setting. You look at this picture. This picture show you slide dimension. So from the left green area is for the marking. You need to do some barcode for this area. Then from the green block, this is for the specimen working area. So the cover sleeping will do in this area. Then how to set this area? You can look at the right side. The right side they have 3 parameters. From 1 is start A. So every time machine will send the slide to the slide outfit. So you have the glue, dispenser screw start A point. So a point normally 3 millimeter away of the right edge of the slide. So this one, you can touch this area, then input some number 10. So we can remove and set up the A point position. Also the B. B point is show the groove distance, is groove stroke. They will start A point, start the growing, then will continue growing to B point, then stop. So this is for the scrolling distance. You also can set up, maybe use 30, then you can input. Then last one is pressure. Pressure is value. It depends on your groove concentration. If your groove concentration is higher or bigger, you should set this number is bigger. You need to set maybe 50 or 70. Normally, if your concentration, the groove concentration is lower, you only set maybe 10. That's it. They can start to work. Here you have a look at the right and top. They have a A, B, C, D. These are for breakaway mode for the cover slipping. Maybe this one. This is the A mode. This change it to B mode. This C mode and B mode. This depends on the user or customer. You can set the 4 modes for the cover slipping. You can choose your favorite 4 modes, then input set the 4 modes. So the common area is for the cover slipping. So you need the user normally often adjustment this value, get the best cover slipping. Okay. So they finish the common menu, then go to the setting menu. Setting menu is for this instrument maintain and commissioning or the fine adjustment. For this setting menu, you need to input the password. Here is the area you need to touch. Then input the password. Password is 2020 into. Then go to the sub menu. You can show instrument error motions. So here and some parts functions. You have set other settings. They can manually test some parts functions. Maybe jaw clamping for the gripper. You can touch this one. You can show the gripper open and close. You will hear the sound, the solenoid noise working. They have a sound. Look here. They also can test the suck part working. Here you need to start the vacuum pump. Then you can touch the suck A. You with the finger. The suck A will suck your finger. Then you touch suck B. You also fish your finger. You will feel. You touch again. You can know it vacuum working. So you can touch all those test every component. So this is for the air pump. You have hear the sound. So that's it. For the left area, they have a motion, the motions of the instrument. So here you have a suction motion and a tabulating motion, rotating motion, and lifting motion, and a conveying motion, storage, loading, optical for the laser sensors. So the suction, you can touch the suction motor. They were going blue color. Then have a look at the right area. In this one, you have a very important the suction position. So you also can test suction position. You can touch this one. They go to the cover glass area. Sometimes you need to set. Normally you need to change this number. And this position and this parameter already setting by the plant. Also, you can test. You also can reset. You go back. Then to the tableting. You touch the tableting. Tableting, you will go to this one. You also can test this. You will go push down to pick this and place the glass cover to the slide. You set, you go back. So they have some parameter. Normally you don't need to change these values. The rotating is for the pick and place the slide. They have the scraper will vertical to pick up the slide. Then we will place. You need to rotate, put it on the slide outfit position. The catch tree is position. The lifting also to move the gripper. When the gripper want to pick up the slide, it lifting down, the moving. When already the pickup, they will want to place the slide. When lifting motor will send the gripper up. They also have some conveyor. Conveyor is for this one output. When they finish the cover slipping, the conveyor motor will send the slide go to the storage. We also can test the storage. We'll show you. Touch this one. The slide on the slide output this two arm will send it to the slide, go to the storage. We will touch the set, we'll go back. Here, we will, by the way, we also want to carry the one scrap box. Here, this is a scrap box. Normally, you need to put the catch tree. Here, when they pick the suction the cover glass, when the cover glass broken, you need this machine can place the broken cover, go to the scrap box. To the storage also have some parameters. This setting, this parameter value is setting is very important. And normally for beginner, they don't know how to set the numbers. They also can change this storage position. Then go to the loading. The loading is for the load pass, so you can test. You can move here. Go outside. Then you also can put the back. Then we set. Then go back. So the parameter now all introduced. You if you want to familiar this machine, sometimes you can go to this setting, then do some tests. Okay, that's it. The last menu is for the history. History is show the running information. They can show every day how many slides finish the cover slipping, how many racks you put inside. Show this racks number, then the slides number. So this is for the history record. So we finish introduction for the main menu. Now we come back to the running menus. Now we can start this machine. Okay.